Mark, you mentioned size of your product. So true or false? If I have a very large product, should I use Amazon FBA?
Amazon FBA is geared for products which fit into kind of a nice, clean, cartonized box. So Amazon FBA really doesn't like products which are larger than 12 by 12 by 9 boxed. And they can sit on a shelf and maximize the volume of the bin and the space. So when everyone thinks about Amazon, you know, they think about it must be a very large building that these goods are housed in. And in many cases, Amazon DCs can be over 1 million square feet, but there is a great number of products in that 1 million square feet. And to Amazon, space is money. And those bin spaces represent a direct dollar figure to them. Amazon wants to turn that bin, and they want to automate the processes as much as possible. And the ways that they do that are by having a uniform product that fits nice, neat, and clean in a bin that some sort of automated picking system can pick, label, scan, fulfill, and all of that. So Amazon gears their pricing traditionally to being cheaper for products that meet that. When you go into a bulky good, a heavy good, something that requires human intervention, your cost goes up drastically. Additionally, for Amazon, if you sell a product where your product is, you know, kind of sold in Amazon, set up in Amazon in bulk, where it doesn't turn a whole bunch of times, you're going to pay a greater amount of storage costs because your product is not turning. The heavier the product, also, the more your storage and shipping costs are going to be. The bulkier your product, in some cases, Amazon will just say, hey, this is not something we offer Amazon FBA services for because it just takes us too much work to do the fulfillment on your product.
So to reiterate, somebody with a product that's larger than 12 by 12 by 9 should use a 3PL outside of Amazon.
They should absolutely, at a bare minimum, investigate the differences between the costs. You're never going to do yourself a disservice to get a multitude of quotes through various different intermediaries. And what I mean by intermediaries is fulfillment channels. So if you're thinking about doing Amazon FBA or utilizing Amazon FBA, you would be completely doing yourself a disservice to not investigate the cost difference between using FBA, using a 3PL, or based on the amount of orders that you have, using the potential of drop shipping models directly from your manufacturer as well. But when traditionally speaking, when you have a bulky, overweight good, a 3PL is going to specialize in the fulfillment of that type of product and be able to get you a much more price advantageous rate.
Excellent.